Welcome to Financial Mobile App's Break-Even Analysis. This app helps you calculate the number of units required for production so that the revenues received from those units equals the cost associated with producing them. In other words, it helps you figure out the point at which your product will begin to make a profit. Well, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will notice is the app name. The app allows you to save up to 5 sessions, each recallable by hitting the Select Session button. For our purposes, we will use a software update analysis. The application requires only 4 inputs. Variable unit cost. This is the cost required to produce every single unit. So in our case, let's say it will be $25. The next input is the fixed cost. Fixed cost never changes regardless of how many units we produce. Let's assume, for example, our programming cost is $500. Sales price is the price that we plan to sell every unit. Let's say for our case it's $75. Expected unit sales are the expected units you plan to sell. Let's say in our case we think we can sell 50. When we tap Calculate, we will see our break-even units below. The bottom half of the screen shows the user the total revenue, variable cost, total profit, profit margin, based on the expected number of units the user plans to sell. This is helpful to determine whether the expected unit sales entered is reasonable. In other words, if the total profit that you see is negative, simply increase the expected unit sales. Let's save this session and continue to the next view. The next view is the table view. The table view shows the unit to profit relationship. We know we will break even at 10 units. However, if we wanted to know what happens if we went to 15 units, well, we can see that 15 units will lead to $250 profit, and so on and so forth. This is a great tool for allowing you to do a sensitivity analysis based on the units you're selling. The user may also change the input by tapping the Change Input button. Simply change the inputs and hit Calculate. The last view, but perhaps the coolest view, is the chart view. The chart view allows the user to manipulate the initial 3 inputs entered: variable cost, fixed cost, and sales price. As the users change the inputs, the graph automatically changes with the reflective break-even point as well as the other 3 inputs. That's it. Easy, simple, and elegant. Please feel free to send us any questions or issues you may encounter. Thank you for watching this video of Break-Even Analysis by Financial Mobile Apps.